Um, Video journal number 4, chapter 3. After reading 2 and 3, please discuss consolidation. Well, consolidation is like basically trying to make something stronger or like rebuild. Well, actually, actual definition is right here. The action or process of making something stronger or more solid. The action or process of combining a number of things into a single, more effective and coherent whole. Well, how does that affect radio and television? Well, it's relevant because you gotta keep updating, making something stronger, or else it's just gonna fall off. Just kind of like with cable nowadays. Most people are cutting cable because it's easier to go get like streaming networks such as Hulu and Netflix. You don't have to pay as much, and you get a lot more to offer. Um, Basically, the word consolidation. The reason it is relevant is because both radio and television, to make sure you stay at the top of your game, to where you stay relevant in the world, to where you can keep making money and keep profiting from it, you have to keep changing. You have to keep updating, and you have to keep finding new ways to put your message out there. So with radio, I mean, you can see it through the years how we updated from, just a couple channels, AM, and then we go to FM. Now it's satellite radio. Heck, you can even stream it from your phone, some of your favorite radio stations with iHeartRadio. Um, with TV, it's gone from just a few channels, black and white TVs, colored. Then we just keep on updating to where you've got over like, what is it, like 2,000 channels on DirecTV. And then now we're even updating even further to streaming. That way, you got to continue building and making your thing stronger to stay relevant in nowadays world. And you're just gonna have to keep updating faster and faster because if not, you're gonna get left behind in the dust. They're all gonna forget about you. So that is why consolidation is relevant in today's age. Thank you.